Hello everyone, what you see behind me is a 1998 Opel Omega 2-liter engine, 116 horsepower, nothing special. This car was picked up for 200 euros, and let's see if 3 or 4 guys can make it past MOT and roadworthy in a weekend. Let's get cracking.
Da, Zorko. To je zdaj pomemben del. Kuj tam, za smetem. Klasičen Dave.
Finese. Bomo dati samo mrežico gor, pa brez telefonega lufmesa.
Najlonko, prek napet.
Brez
tu daš, ali?
Pa zvezi.
Ja pa je to padlo, ne?
Pa vse to z mašino, s 13-kami, tu tra, pa fertik.
Mayonnaise. Honey mustard. Chunky bunny.
Engine pool.
Bo. Zdaj bo. Že sam Ahaca vprašal. Ahac bo? Bo?
Bo.
Kje že? Ja. Kaj te zdaj tu na kameri si nekaj delaš?
Čakaj, da začnem gledati.
Bo? Bo?
Bo.
So let's talk briefly about what has been done. First, I have to say that we have failed our challenge because it was not completed in one weekend. We were on a good way, but then we found some structural rust on the langsträger or the chassis rails that had to be welded, and this came across with other problems because then you have to apply primer, you have to let it sit, seam seal it, stone chip protection, let it sit. So yeah, roughly what has been done is that we have made a pretty hefty service. So belt tensioner, belt, water pump, well, both belts, air filter, fuel filter, of course oil filter, cabin filter, new tires went on, the wheels were rubbing on the calipers, so we had to fix that. What else? Yeah, we had to fix a bunch of rust, which we found even after we have taken the welding machine away, so we had to resort to other alternative solutions, hashtag Sika. So yeah, the main idea of this car is not that it's a restoration project, because as some of you know, we already have the Manta for that, so we are doing a proper work on that one. But here it was just, let's get it fixed as fast as we can, so we can start using it hopefully in 2 days. So I'll try to pass MOT today. We'll see if we have to fix anything. Today is Saturday, so we have to get the car on the road on Monday, because then I need the car. We have sanded the headlights, put on the clear coat, which cracked a little bit because it was old and it was from a can. Also, we used a very questionable stone chip protection that was in my basement for 10 years. The main idea is just to use scrap and really go on a budget here to fix this car, just to get it fixed and kind of extend its life for maybe a year tops, and then it's going to either go to a scrapyard or give us some winter pleasures and end up in a ditch somewhere. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Now we have to get it lowered and see what happens. We have to let it run a little bit so it gets up to temperature, so we can bleed the cooling system a little bit. We also changed the brake fluid, all of that stuff. I'm probably forgetting half of the stuff that we did, but there was 4 of us and we were doing some damn good progress, and also drank a shitload of beer. So I think it was a pretty good weekend. Anyways, before we test the car, again a special thanks to Ahatz, Aleš and Blaž and Darian, to everyone who have helped, and also Laura for bringing us the pizzas. Yeah, let's get it on its own wheels and try to make it run. We also changed the spark plugs, forgetting stuff. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, the 200 euro Omega is still going strong-ish. Me and Lea are now on vacation. We are on wonderful Krk Island, exploring a little bit. Before that we were in Italy. We went to Garda Lake, where we attended a concert of Paolo Nutini. The concert was top-notch, very good concert, great artist. Check him out if you don't know him yet. So yeah, regarding the car, we had a small let's say breakdown on the way to Italy. The alternator died, so we had to rely on the battery, which got us to a friend's place that he actually had 2 alternators that fit Omega, so we changed the alternator and we were on our way. But yeah, we've done approximately 1,200 kilometers in this trip already, so we're doing pretty good. We don't have AC, so when we were standing in Italy at 37 degrees on the highway in a traffic jam, it wasn't so pretty, but we're still here. The car still goes. It is providing us with good memories. We are going on trips, so everything is nice. So this is a small introduction. We still have to sort some of the stuff out. I had water leaks in the car. I think I still do, because some stuff is still wet and I think it should be dry by now, but I don't think we're going to investigate this any further. So the Shitbox is great. I'm very satisfied with it. Thank you to all my friends that helped me to put this car back on the road, and yeah, see you in the next videos. I'm going to enjoy my vacation, my time off now, and talk to you soon. Bye.